The ancient civilization, the lost city of Atlantis. Atlantis was an island nation in the Atlantic Ocean, home to a powerful and advanced civilization. Its existence is described in Plato's philosophical work, which tells the story of a great and powerful kingdom that existed in the Atlantic. But this raises many questions. Where exactly was Atlantis located? What happened to its advanced civilization? And was it real, or just a figment of Plato's imagination? These are the top 10 ancient civilization mysteries of the lost city of Atlantis. Number 10. The Atlantic Ocean. According to Plato, Atlantis was situated in the Atlantic Ocean. But exactly where remains a mystery. Some believe it could have been off the coast of Africa, while others believe it was somewhere near the Strait of Gibraltar. One theory even suggests that it could have been located near the Azores Islands in Portugal. However, there is no evidence to support any of these claims. The Atlantic Ocean is vast and deep, making it difficult to locate any trace of the lost city. Many believe that Atlantis could have sunk beneath the ocean waves, taking its advanced civilization with it. This would explain why there is no physical evidence of the city today. But without hard evidence, the exact location of Atlantis will remain unknown. Number 9. The Great Flood. According to Plato, the Atlanteans were a peaceful and prosperous people until a great flood destroyed their civilization. Was this flood a natural disaster or something more sinister? Some believe that the flood was caused by a massive earthquake or a tsunami, while others believe it was the result of climate change. However, there is no evidence to support any of these claims. It is possible that the flood was simply a myth created by Plato to teach a moral lesson about the dangers of greed and corruption. But without hard evidence, the true cause of the flood will remain a mystery. No! 8. The Advanced Civilization. The Atlanteans are said to have been a highly advanced civilization with a strong focus on science, technology, and philosophy. They are said to have developed technologies that were far ahead of their time, including advanced weapons, machines, and tools. However, there is no physical evidence of these technologies today. Many believe that the Atlanteans were wiped out by the flood, and that their advanced technology was lost forever. However, some believe that the Atlanteans may have survived the flood and that their descendants still possess some of their advanced technology. Number 7. The origin of the Atlanteans. The origins of the Atlanteans are a mystery. Plato never explained where they came from or how they developed such a powerful civilization. Some believe that the Atlanteans were created by ancient aliens who came from another planet. Others believe that they were the descendants of ancient Egyptians who migrated to the island. Still, others believe that the Atlanteans were simply a figment of Plato's imagination, and that he created them to teach a moral lesson about the dangers of greed and corruption. Without hard evidence, the true origins of the Atlanteans will remain unknown. Number 6. The Atlantean Pyramids. The Atlanteans are said to have built pyramids similar to those found in Egypt. However, no pyramids have been found in the Atlantic Ocean. Some believe that the pyramids were destroyed by the flood, and that they now lie in ruins beneath the ocean waves. Others believe that the pyramids were taken down by ancient civilizations like the Greeks or Romans who wanted to claim the Atlanteans' advanced technology for themselves. Without hard evidence, the true fate of the Atlantean pyramids will remain a mystery. No! 5. The Atlantean Library. According to Plato, the Atlanteans kept detailed records of their history and culture in a great library. He claimed that the library contained everything from scientific texts to philosophical truths. However, there is no evidence that such a library ever existed. Some believe that the library was destroyed by the flood and that its contents were lost forever. Others believe that the library still exists somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean, hidden beneath the waves. If it does exist, it could contain invaluable information about the Atlanteans and their advanced civilization. But until it is found, if it is found, the contents of the Atlantean library will remain a mystery. Number 4. The Lost Colony of Plato's Atlantis. In 360 BC, Greek philosopher Plato wrote about a utopian island nation called Atlantis, which supposedly existed in the Atlantic Ocean. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and prosperous kingdom, but it was destroyed by a natural disaster and sunk beneath the waves. Some historians believe that Plato's account of Atlantis is based on a real historical event. while others believe it is a fictional story meant to teach a moral lesson. What makes Plato's account of Atlantis so fascinating is that he describes the Atlanteans as having a highly advanced civilization with a strong emphasis on science, technology, and philosophy. He also claims that the Atlanteans possessed advanced weapons and machines that were far ahead of their time. Plato's description of Atlantis has inspired countless theories and speculations over the centuries. Some believe that Atlantis was located in the Mediterranean Sea, while others believe it was in the Atlantic Ocean. Some believe that Atlantis was a real place that was destroyed by a natural disaster, while others believe it was a fictional creation of Plato's imagination. Number 3. The mystery of the missing city. Despite numerous expeditions and searches, no physical evidence of the city has ever been found. Some believe that Atlantis was a figment of Plato's imagination, and that it never actually existed. Others believe that the city was destroyed by a natural disaster, such as a tsunami or earthquake, and that it now lies beneath the ocean waves. Number 2. The true story of Atlantis. While the existence of Atlantis remains a mystery, there are a few clues that may help us solve the puzzle. According to Plato, the Atlanteans were a highly advanced civilization with a strong focus on science, technology, and philosophy. They are said to have developed technologies that were far ahead of their time, including advanced weapons, machines, and tools. However, there is no physical evidence of these technologies today. Many believe that the Atlanteans were wiped out by the flood, and that their advanced technology was lost forever. However, some believe that the Atlanteans may have survived the flood, and that their descendants still possess some of their advanced technology. Number 1. Ancient ruins. There are many ancient ruins that have been discovered that could possibly be from the lost city of Atlantis. However, none of them have been confirmed to be from Atlantis. Some of the more popular theories suggest that Atlantis was located near the Strait of Gibraltar or in the Mediterranean Sea. If you want to learn more about these theories, you can check out our other videos on the topic. We have done several videos on the lost city of Atlantis, and we plan on doing many more. If you want to stay up to date on all of our new videos, make sure you subscribe.